It is our pleasure to introduce to you Naturific Revolutionary Therapeutic Sleep System Vital Care 5T. This sleep system is made from layers of different therapies that can help the body, self-healing from neuromuscular infections and chronic pain. In addition, Vital Care Sleep System helps your body to restore its natural functions, fighting the early aging process. Vital Care 5T offers 5 important therapies. Biomagnetic therapy, far infrared therapy, whole body vibromassage therapy, quantum energy therapy, and chromotherapy. We will briefly explain to you a few benefits of our Vital Care 5T therapy's sleep system. One of our scientifically proven benefits is recharging your body to allow it the ability to self-rehabilitate from infections and inflicted pain. Therapies such as magnetic therapy, far infrared therapy, quantum energy therapy, and whole body vibromassage therapy improve the oxygenation of your blood, while at the same time increasing your blood circulation. This process provides more blood to the entire body's tissues, aiding the increase and proliferation of healthy cells and tissues that battle the damaged tissues and infection. Thus, your body increases the ability to fight infection without prescription drugs. Also, the magnetic and far infrared therapies fight the free radicals, detoxify and rebalance the energy of your body's cells, restoring the body functions to its natural healthy condition. The Vital Care 5T therapies aid your body to fight dysfunctions such as shoulder pain, knee pain, hand pain, and fight the main problem that 85% of all Americans will be affected sometime during their life. That is back pain. Your body deserves this attention, because the comfort and well-being of your body means happiness and peace of mind for you and the ones around you.